Look at that there. Easy money. Boop-bop.
Hey, Ryan here, Silly Reviews. Gonna show you guys how to make some easy money in the form of cryptocurrencies. Then we're gonna transfer those currencies. Then we're gonna send them out to our Bitcoin wallet on Cash App, turn it into cash. Oh my God. I am always in favor of giving yourself a raise. Because as I always say, boss makes $1 and I make a dime. That's why I answer quizzes on Coinbase on company time. Let's take a look. Get yourself a wallet on Coinbase. You'll get all these opportunities. You'll get all these opportunities to learn about new cryptocurrencies, which reward you. You're going to get rewarded with a good bit of that cryptocurrency. Then you go ahead and you convert those cryptocurrencies, like I do, all to Bitcoin. Then you go ahead and send it from your Coinbase wallet to another wallet that you can easily access the funds. My preferred method is to send it on over to Cash App. You can see right here, in one day, I had $3.11 in my portfolio. That was my portfolio balance on Coinbase. And within a day, and it was more like within 45 minutes, boosted that daddy on up. It got as high as $19.21. It only cost like 60 something cents in fees. Once I converted them all to Bitcoin, the fees, it was about 67 cents to send it to my wallet, my cryptocurrency, my Bitcoin wallet on Cash App. Proof is in the pudding. How do you do this? I do this from mobile phones. Sometimes I do this from my laptop. Could even boot pop and do it on a desktop. Oh, it's that easy. How do you find it? Well, they will send you emails letting you know there's a new instructional video, earn $3 of this cryptocurrency, $2 of that cryptocurrency. It's really easy. It's not like a test you can really fail because you can just go back over the information and the questions are really easy. I was paying attention with one earbud in while I was trimming my nose hairs. And the way you find it on mobile, you hit your hamburger menu button here, button on the top left, you boop bop, and from there you're going to hit get rewards. So we're going to hit that, we hit it, and you can see the reward opportunities I still have left to do. I can earn $9 in compound cryptocurrency. I can earn $10 in Bitcoin. Oh, that's just invite a friend. That takes too much work. Hey, my invite link is in the description and in the pinned comment. Would you please use that when you set up your Coinbase wallet, please? $3 in AMP. We're going to get amped. We're going to get hyped because we're getting some easy money. What else do we have here? Graph, you can get $3 in GRT. It's a protocol for indexing blockchain data. How you love that. Stellar Lumens, up to, I can earn $10 of XLM cryptocurrency. So I still have $10, $3, that's $13. Do the math with me. Public school education, $3. So we're at 16. Forget the invite friends unless you want to help me. And then another $3. So that's another $9. So how much is that? That's a good bit of money. It doesn't take long at all. It's informational and it's pretty darn quick. If you have any kind of reading comprehension skills, if you have any type of listening comprehension skills, this won't take you long at all. Turn it into cash. As you can see here, in under an hour today, I already boosted up like $16, and I'm going back for more. What it looked like, what I went over with you with what? Another $20 out there. I'm gonna get it right now. Use my link in the description, in the pinned comments. Make yourself a Coinbase wallet. Get with the times. Even a near boomer such as myself knows how to do this. I'm cryptoing it up, you guys. Ryan here, Silly Reviews, always showing you how to give yourself a raise, because I'll say it again, boss makes $1. You're only making a dime. You better do some hustles on company time. See you next time. Time. Look at that there. Easy money. Boop-bop.